Shine on me, shine on me.
Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. It is Thursday and my house needs to be cleaned, so that's what we're gonna do. Come along with me. If you're not already subscribed and you like cleaning videos, lifestyle videos, and all of the things, click that little red subscribe button and hit the bell for some notifications, and let's get on into cleaning. First thing first is the hair's gotta go up. I think what I'm gonna do is go upstairs. Downstairs really isn't too bad as far as messiness. It definitely has to be cleaned. But as far as stuff all over the place, it's not terrible. So we are gonna go upstairs and start some laundry. I always like to get the laundry started and the dishes going, because those obviously wash themselves. I don't have that much laundry to do. So let's go upstairs, shall we? So now that is done, meander into the kids' room. Yep. Grab his clothes. More. And then we will meander into the bedroom and get my husband's stuff. Doesn't have too many things. Towel. It's cold. I don't know if it's, I think it's my ADD. So when I'm cleaning, like, I just figured it would be easier to just quickly make the bed right now since I was already in here. And I'm gonna take these clothes and then throw these in there and then meander downstairs. Actually, I have clothes in my closet. And now that I've collected all of the clothes, I can get the laundry started. My husband's closet has been driving me crazy, and I've been avoiding doing it only because it seems like whatever organizing system that I put in place does not work for him. So I've been telling him that he should do it with me so that it makes more sense, because everybody has different ways of organizing stuff. However, his closet is literally driving me crazy, so I'm just gonna go through and clean that up. Like, I have a pile of clothes here that are clean. I have clean clothes there, clean clothes there, clean clothes there, and then this is the closet situation. There's no rhyme or reason to anything. And I get it that he's busy, but I don't think he gets that if he can figure out a way to organize things, then it won't be so chaotic. I don't know. All right, so we're gonna try to just organize his clothes really quick. So what I did was I just took pretty much everything out of his closet and organized it into piles that matched each other, and then that way I could figure out where I wanted to put it back in the closet and which made most sense to me. Now granted, it's probably not going to make most sense to him, but it is what it is. kind of think he needs 3 sock bins. So he'll have one for dark socks, one for work socks, because he does construction, so, and when he's outside in the yard, his socks get all nasty. So if I do one for work socks, one for dark socks, and then one for like nice socks. I think that's the plan. But I have to find another bin to go into the closet. I'm sure that there's something that I can use.
Between concrete walls, there's a place for us where we could go, where we could be alone. Between city lights,
here's a little quick tip for you. For shoes, if you lay them out opposites, then you can fit more on there. So instead of having them like this, it takes up more space. So just flip them, and then you can fit more shoes on it. I think I'm gonna bail on this project. He's got too many things. So this is what I ended up with. I have all his shoes down there, socks, little socks underneath. He doesn't really wear little socks too much unless it's summer. Not little socks, like low-cut socks. All his shirts are hung up. And then over on this side, I have his actual jeans that have not turned into work pants yet. Then I have his work pants, crappy like painting shirts and stuff. His work shirts, work sweatshirts, regular sweatshirts. These are the good socks, and then just undershirts, and then back there pajama pants. And that is about it. So killing myself. It looks 100% better. So since my plans for the day changed once I opened his closet, I was actually afraid that I wasn't going to have enough time or energy, more so energy, to finish cleaning the bedroom. I just ran around quickly with a Swiffer and got all the dust down, and then I vacuumed, and then I went around with just some furniture polish and Windex to get everything else cleaned.
Tuesday, he gives me good love and something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. The queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do, yeah. You.
Friday music.